All right, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to show you how to install the auto bolt release on the Ruger 1022. Here we have the disassembled trigger group. And so you just take this out of your rifle, out of your stock, get this by itself. The first thing we're going to do is push this little guy out right here. This is going to be the top of the ejector and the bolt release, and then this spring is going to pop up. There it goes. Set that aside. And then the next thing we're going to do is remove the bottom pin here where the extended mag release goes. So what I like to do is depress this plunger to just keep everything in there, and then we can show you where the auto bolt release goes. There is this spring, so be mindful of this spring. One side has a little bend on it, and the other side is completely flat. You want to push this all the way back, get it out of the way, because the spring is going to catch this little nook right here on the auto bolt release. So go in rough claw side down, just like this. So we can see where that's going to end up right there, right? That hole. So I'll start that hole, get this just started, and now we will come in with the release. Make sure that this is pushed in. Get in there. Make sure everything's nice and lined up, and we're good to go. Simple, but sometimes a little finicky. So that's in there now. Now we go down with the spring. We need to push the spring down because that's what's going to get the tension on it. We're going to go in here with this guy, and then we have the pin right here. So we're going to start from this side. We're going to go through the auto bolt release. We're going to thread it through right here. It's going to rest there, and then go about 90%. Then with your finger, push this spring down, lock everything in. That's it. We're done. And the way you can test this, push up and see if it has spring tension. The auto bolt release has spring tension. Good to go. Time to put it back in the rifle. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, link below in the description. Thanks. Have a great day.